If you want your desk to feel premium, organized, and actually enjoyable to work at, this video is for you. Today, you're discovering 5 premium desk accessories that upgrade your workspace instantly, from smart charging solutions to productivity-boosting tech and sleek organization tools. By the end, you'll know exactly which upgrade your desk has been missing. Number 1. Gitryin Desktop Charging Station. You know how frustrating it is when your desk turns into a jungle of tangled cables and overcrowded outlets. With the Gitryin Desktop Charging Station, you eliminate that chaos. You get 4 retractable 40W chargers built into one sleek hub, letting you power your laptop, phone, tablet, smartwatch, and more all at once. The retractable 33.5-inch cables pull out smoothly and snap back in when you're done, so your desk stays clean and organized without effort. You'll love how the slim 1.1-inch design fits easily into tight outlets or power strips, and that 45-degree angled plug makes it perfect for cramped wall spaces. It's not just convenient, it's powerful, delivering up to 50% charge in around 20 minutes. Plus, with ETL certification and 1020J surge protection, your high-end electronics stay safe from voltage spikes and overheating. Add in the fire-resistant casing, automatic shutoff, and a 2-year warranty with modular replacement support, and you've got a premium charging solution built for serious workspaces. Number 2. Odistar Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. If you're serious about a premium desk setup, you can't ignore cleanliness. The Odistar Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is that small detail that makes a big difference. Instead of brushing crumbs and dust onto the floor, you simply grab this cordless mini vacuum and glide it across your desk. Powered by 2 AA batteries, you get up to 90 minutes of cleaning time without worrying about cords or outlets. The 360-degree rotatable design lets you reach tight spaces between monitors, keyboards, and desk accessories effortlessly. It's strong enough to pick up paper scraps, dust, pet hair, and even larger debris, yet quiet enough that you can clean without interrupting your workflow or calls. The precise capture nozzle handles everything from keyboard crumbs to fine powder. It's lightweight, easy to operate, and designed for anyone to use comfortably. Made from durable, clear acrylic that looks sleek and modern, it doesn't just clean your desk, it complements it. This is one of those subtle upgrades that instantly makes your workspace feel polished and intentional. Number 3. Painted LED Desk Lamp. Lighting can completely transform how your desk feels, and this painted LED desk lamp takes things to the next level. You're not just getting a desk lamp, you're getting a hybrid workspace light that doubles as a webcam light. With 30 lighting modes, 3 color temperatures from warm to cool, and 10 brightness levels, you can customize your lighting exactly how you want it. Whether you're reading, studying, drawing, or jumping into a Zoom meeting, you'll always have the perfect illumination. The 1200 lumens output, combined with edge-lit LED technology, gives you soft, balanced light that reduces eye strain during long sessions. If you're on camera often, the high CRI rating means you look more natural and vibrant on video. The adjustable swing arm with 5 pivot joints lets you position it precisely where you need it, and the sturdy metal base keeps everything stable without clamping to your desk. With 84 LED beads rated for up to 100,000 hours and a 36-month warranty, this isn't just lighting, it's a long-term upgrade to your entire workflow. Number 4. Logitech Ergonomic Wireless Mouse. When you're working long hours, your mouse can either support you or slow you down. The Logitech Ergonomic Wireless Mouse, part of the MX series, is designed to keep you in flow. The natural tilt and ergonomic shape reduce hand strain so you stay comfortable even during extended sessions. What really makes this feel premium is the haptic sense panel, giving you customizable feedback for shortcuts and notifications. The MagSpeed scroll wheel lets you scroll through up to 1,000 lines per second and stop precisely on a pixel, which feels incredibly smooth and controlled. You also get powerful connectivity with a USB-C dongle or Bluetooth, ensuring fast, reliable performance across devices. The quiet clicks reduce distractions, which is perfect if you're working in shared spaces or recording audio. On top of that, it's built with recycled materials and even includes a complimentary 1-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. This isn't just a mouse, it's a productivity tool that elevates how you interact with your entire digital workspace.
Number 5. Jteman cell phone stand with Bluetooth speaker. If you're constantly propping your phone against random objects while watching videos or taking calls, this Jteman 2-in-1 gadget is a major upgrade. It combines a stable phone stand with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, giving you louder, clearer sound while keeping your hands free. You can adjust the viewing angle to match exactly how you're sitting, whether you're on a video call, watching content, or following a recipe at your desk. The foldable design keeps it compact and easy to carry, so it doesn't clutter your workspace. The weighted base and anti-slip silicone pads keep your device secure and scratch-free. It's compatible with most smartphones and even small tablets, making it versatile for everyday use. The built-in microphone enhances call clarity, which is especially helpful during long conversations. While it doesn't charge your phone, it dramatically upgrades how you interact with it at your desk. This is one of those small but impactful accessories that make your workspace feel smarter and more complete.
Thanks for watching. If this product helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Amazon reviews and tech finds. See you in the next video.